From STI FireStop, the global leader in FireStop, comes EasyPath, fire-rated pathways. The most innovative line of zero-maintenance cable management solutions for fire, smoke, and sound. First introduced in 2002, EasyPath fire-rated pathways have revolutionized the way new installations, retrofits, and frequent cable moves, adds, and changes are managed in fire-rated barriers. They are designed to allow cables to penetrate fire-rated walls and floors without the need for any additional fire stopping. The EasyPath system consists of an enclosed, heavy-gauge galvanized steel channel lined with self-sealing and self-adjusting intumescent pads. These patented state-of-the-art pathways are engineered for rapid expansion when exposed to fire or high temperatures, preventing the passage of fire, smoke, and toxic gases. With nothing to open, activate, remove, replace, adjust, close, or tighten, EasyPath provides the industry's only zero-maintenance cable management solution, making it the only rated pathway device that's 100% compliant 100% of the time. Its set-it-and-forget-it design helps you reduce or even eliminate reoccurring maintenance costs, because EasyPath pays for itself, protecting your investment over the life cycle of the building. EasyPath eliminates downstream labor costs by letting you use pull strings left in place to easily perform cable moves, adds, and changes from remote locations. Recognized as best practice by trade professionals, EasyPath provides a completely sustainable cable management solution. They deliver more capacity in less space and offer you the ultimate in flexibility. Extensions can be used for thicker walls, single and multi-gang wall plates for increased capacity. Efficient modular floor grid systems offer smaller footprints for large cable volumes, and a variety of custom solutions tailored to meet your needs. EasyPath adapts to any condition, new construction or existing conditions, vertical or horizontal applications. EasyPath can manage any volume of cables, from 5,000 down to 1. EasyPath helps protect cables and easily accommodates network expansions. Healthcare facilities prefer EasyPath because it reduces trips above the ceiling. It won't upset workflow. Its zero-maintenance properties minimize the potential spread of hospital-acquired infections. And inspections are a breeze because every device offers 100% visual compliance. Choose EasyPath to help navigate the complexity of your modern network infrastructure and simplify virtually every aspect from design through installations and expansion for the life cycle of the building. So whether you're an owner, designer, contractor, maintenance professional, cable installer, or network IT professional, trust EasyPath to protect your network, ensure code compliance, and deliver the ultimate in pathway FireStop performance.